Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Aaron up in Michigan on this RCI-2970N2. Aaron, is ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade. We installed the on-off switch for you back there to shut your amp on and off. Let's start with your RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Set you about 4 watts, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an 8-pil or something. And 40 watts all the way up. Let's look at average power swing. Low. 100 watts in the corner, 250 watt slug PEP. Low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Puts that 250 watt slug right at the edge. Also, we'll go over to FM. We got that where it'll turn up to 40 for you right there as well. Alright, Aaron, let's show you sideband. Low 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should talk around 250, no problem. Aaron, hope you enjoy it. We'll get that Extreme RF Limited 2018 mic sent to you as well from www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.